Hey guys, it's Adam from AFR AutoWorks in Red Deer here, and today we're working on an EVO 10 with a delicious tuning flex fuel setup on it and still a stock turbo. It's a wicked setup on these. It allows you to make around that 400 wheel mark with full bolt-ons, E85, and this one was actually giving us a little grief though. When we switched it over to ethanol, made good power on pump gas, switched it over to ethanol, and it immediately started breaking up. We gapped a fresh set of plugs down really tight, still having the same problem. We knew we were gonna need some coil packs. The factory coil packs aren't cheap, and it's not much more money to run an R35 coil pack conversion. So we installed an R35 coil pack conversion from Platinum Racing Products. We wired it in, and our first pull saw some big gains. So here's the dyno graph from our first ethanol pull with the ignition breakup. You can see it coughed and sputtered for about 1,000 RPM and made just over 400 wheel horsepower. And then later on, we were able to pick up all that torque that we were losing by experiencing that ignition breakup. So anyways, this is after actually swapping some fuel out. So this brown graph here made 395, I believe it was, on about E70. No more spark breakup, and should be lots and lots of fun on this stock turbo EVO 10. Cheers. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this of interest or of value to you. Be sure to check out our industry partners. Many of their products are available on our online store, efrautoworksstore.com. Please like and subscribe, and check us out on Instagram and Facebook. Cheers.